Okay students, as you know that we are doing subject verb concord. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the most important things to remember about the topic subject verb concord. Like we use contraction. Some of the verbs we use in a contraction form, like doesn't. Doesn't is a contraction of does not and should be used only with the singular subject. Two singular subject connected by or, either, or neither, nor require a singular verb. I have told you yesterday about this thing. Nouns like scissors and trousers always take plural verbs. Okay, the subject and the verb must agree. If the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, then verb should also be plural. The verb agrees with the subject in number and person. The given words look like plurals. For example, they end in s. जो s के साथ end होते हैं person और numbers, but they in fact are singular nouns. कुछ words ऐसे भी होते हैं. Okay, I hope you're getting what I'm telling you. There are certain things that should be remembered before doing subject verb concord. Okay students, this was the first topic. Now I'm going to tell you the next. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the most important points. Words such as audience, congregation, crowd, group, family take a singular or plural verb depending upon the sentence, but it is always safe to use plural verbs with these nouns. आप plural verb भी use कर सकते हो, लेकिन ये depend करता है. Nouns plural in form but singular in meaning take a plural form. Like जो फॉर्म्स में प्लूरल हों लेकिन लगते सिंगुलर हों और प्लूरल हों लेकिन हो सिंगुलर, उनको उनके साथ हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं. Like for example, compasses, scissors, tongs, goggles and jeans. Noun plural in forms but singular in meaning. ये फॉर्म में प्लूरल लगते हैं बट मीनिंग में सिंगुलर होते हैं. Okay, everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody, anyone and each takes a singular verb. I have told you yesterday. And when two subjects are joined by and, they require a plural verb, like Delhi and Mumbai are big city. Okay, for example, the cow and the goat are grazing. Okay, we use a singular verb if two subjects are separated by and refer to the same person. अगर same person है और same thing, I have given you the example yesterday that the poet and the singer is dead. Like dal and rice is my grandfather's favorite. Mr. Madan and my friend and philosopher sits next to me. Okay, understood? Have you got the idea till this last example? Okay, now next. Okay, if the subjects are joined by or, nor, either, neither, and if the verb agrees with the subject, for example, neither he nor his friend was there. Okay, either the boy or his sisters have broken the tree. If the subjects joined by or, nor, either, neither, and verb agrees with the subject. Got it? The title of the book, play, story, or a musical composition takes a singular verb, even though they are in a plural. Okay? Words or phrases expresses periods of time, functions, weights, measurements, and amount of money are considered as singular and take a singular verb. When a plural noun comes between a singular subject and its verb, the verb agrees with the subject and not with the nearest plural. These type of things you can keep in your mind while doing subject verb agreement. Okay, have you got the idea now? What are the semi modal verbs? The semi modal verbs are need, dare, ought, used. They are verbs that have some of the characteristics of lexical verbs. Okay, some of the characters of like dare and need. Okay, we can use dare with to and need with to. Okay, they are sometimes used with to infinitive and sometimes with the base from alone. अकेली भी यूज़ की जा सकती हैं और with the infinitive to भी यूज़ की जा सकती हैं. Like आई डेंट टेल हर, मुझे उसे बताने की हिम्मत नहीं हुई। आई नीड टू लुक एट द फाइल ऑन दिस कंप्यूटर, यू नीड नॉट वेट फॉर मी। कभी ये मडास की तरह यूज़ होती हैं और कभी कभी वर्ब की तरह यूज़ होती हैं। ओके, ऑट एंड यूज्ड, ऑट एंड यूज डू नॉट चेंज द फॉर्म बट दे ऑलवेज यूज्ड विद द टू इन्फिनेटिव। ओके, यू ऑट टू रिस्पेक्ट द एल्डर्स, है ना। गॉट इट? ओके, थैंक यू।